Now we will discuss what are the incidents of hyperemesis gravidarum and what is the etiology. So mainly hyperemesis gravidarum, it is occurring in 1000 pregnancy means one pregnancy. It is mainly occurring. Nausea and vomiting it is common, but excessive vomiting it is occurring in 1 in 1000 pregnancy. So what is the etiology? It is mainly occurring in first trimester till 16 week. After that it is resolved by till 20 week of gestation. It is most common in first pregnancy, that means in the primary gravida females it is more common. In the younger age, the mother age, that means more younger age 18 to 22, 23 years, it is more common. Low body mass, if the mother is thin and the weight of the mother is low, so that means it is more common in that females. History of motion sickness or migraine, if the mother is having any history of motion sickness or migraine history, so these mothers they will feel more hyperemesis gravidarum. Familiar history, if in the family there is any history of excessive vomiting during pregnancy, that may also affect. History of nausea and vomiting while on contraceptive pills, that means combined oral contraceptive pills. So if the mother has taken any contraceptive pills before pregnancy to maintain the gap between pregnancy, and if there is history of nausea vomiting during that knows the cause. It is most common in hiatidiform mole and multiple pregnancy, and most common in unplanned pregnancy. So these are some causes in which hyperemesis gravidarum it is taking place. Now we will discuss what are the different theories related to hyperemesis gravidarum.